Need to fix Gemini error something went wrong? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix Gemini something went wrong error. First thing first, you need to move into Safari on your device. In the address bar, search for Gemini outage. Head over to the very first site, Google Gemini down. Wait for a while. In this page, you will be able to check whether the server of Gemini Google is down or not. Sometimes the server might be down, and in this case, all you gotta do is wait for the server to get fixed. Once the server is fixed, now move into the App Store on your device. Here in the address bar itself, search for Gemini. Move into this app. Make sure that the application is up to date. If not, click on Update instead of Open and then update it. After that, move into the settings. Head over to General. Now move into the iPhone storage. In this page, search for the application Gemini. Once found, click on it. Tap on Offload App, and once again click on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This should definitely fix the issue, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.